It's no secret the cost of living is ridiculous right now, so if you're on a budget but you still want to barbecue, here are some cuts I'd recommend. Now in no particular order, we're going to start with sausages. I remember when I first got into barbecue, I was amazed at what different flavoured smoking woods would do to a sausage, and honestly, sausages are one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest things you can pick up from your local butcher or supermarket, and it's very much the same with other minced products. So if you're making anything like a meatloaf out of mince or some burger patties, you can always make some smoked cheeseburgers or a smoked meatloaf, and it's not going to cost you very much. Next up, we've got lamb ribs. And this one I feel a bit silly about promoting because if they become too popular, the price is just going to skyrocket. But at the moment, these are super cheap to get hold of and they are unbelievably tasty as well. You can slice these up and cook them individually, or you can leave them as a whole rack. There's a bunch of different flavors that work with lamb ribs as well. And I've got a few videos on the channel where I'm smoking lamb ribs as well. Next up, we've got a beef chuck roast, obviously a great cut to make pulled beef out of. And there's so much you can do with the pulled beef as well. You could use the meat to go into pastas, pies, as a pizza topping, put it in some tacos, nachos, and much more. And the good thing about chuck roasts is that they are boneless and they don't need much trimming, so you're really not going to get any wastage. Next up is one of my favorite budget cuts, chicken wings. These are a quick cook, they taste great, and there are endless flavor combinations you can use on chicken wings. And it's also a great one if you're doing some appetizers for a big crowd. Now there's so many more other cuts you could choose from, but the last one from me is a pork scotch. Much like the chuck roast, I love the pork scotch because they are boneless, they don't need much trimming, they come in a really nice shape, and they produce some great pulled meat. And again, just like a chuck roast, there is so much you can do with the pulled meat. But honestly, one of my favorite things to do with some pulled pork, and it's super easy as well, is just get the pulled meat, put it in between a burger bun, top it with some slaw, and then your favorite barbecue sauce, and enjoy some pulled pork sandwiches. So there you have it. There's some cuts I would recommend if you are barbecuing on a budget. If you think I've missed any and you've got some recommendations, make sure you put them in the comments below. But for now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. I hope you enjoyed this one, but that's the end. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.